Yes, very definitely people should be reclaiming it. It will be cheaper, and above all it will be more democratically controlled, and will be able to much better manage the expansion of renewable energy. Yes, it's been a trend for the last 10 years, and it looks certain to continue in both sectors. People are realising the advantages of public control over such essential services. Because there are more complicated different parts of the system, with generation and distribution and transmission, and also more complications over balancing the different forms of energy coming into the system, and especially with renewable energy. Whereas water systems are relatively simple. You collect water in reservoirs, you run it down pipes and into the taps. Yeah, I think the biggest single lesson we can learn from the water campaigns is the value of international exchange of information and contacts and campaign strategies and what's legally and technically possible.